Today we're going to show you how to grill some chicken. Healthy and delicious grilled chicken recipe. We start by grilling the chicken tender. Place the chicken tender in a plastic film. Close the film around the chicken and tenderize with a hammer, with obviously a meat tenderizer. This step has a lot of benefits, as the chicken will become flat and will reduce the amount of time required to marinate and also make it easier to grill. Place chicken tenders in a bowl, add black pepper and a pinch of salt. At the end, cover the chicken with olive oil. So at this point, we can preheat the griddle. While waiting for the griddle to heat up, we can start a simple salad. First, we're going to prepare a salad dressing in a bowl. Squeeze a lemon wedge, just a quarter of a lemon, and take the seeds out. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and add a pinch of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and oregano, and mix well. This will give our salad a delicious flavor. So next, we're going to chop some cherry tomatoes. Add them into a bowl. Add baby spinach, or you can add any other vegetables that you like, onion, avocado, jalapenos, whatever you like. Add the dressing on top of that. Now back to the chicken. The griddle is now hot enough. Place the chicken on the griddle and let it cook for about 4 minutes. After the chicken is done, we're going to take them out. If you don't want to make a sandwich, you can stop here. This is the final step for the chicken. It already tastes really good. Now we're going to do the sandwich part. We're going to start with a piece of bread, add the salad, and then a piece of Colby Jack cheese. But you can use whatever kind you want. And then on top of that, we put the chicken, and then enclose with another piece of bread. You can start eating the sandwich now, but I prefer to have mine panini-like, almost like a grilled cheese. So we're going to put it inside the griddler, and close the lid and wait about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, our panini sandwich is done. Let's cut it open and take a look. Oh yeah, the cheese is melted. Oh, and don't forget we still have 2 chicken tenders left. We're going to cut them up and put them in the salad. Healthy and delicious. This is a nice, healthy way to have a nice lunch or breakfast. Voila, that's it. Hope you enjoy these 2 healthy grilled chicken recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're interested in more recipes.